Yo, this is When Nature Calls. I'm on my GoPro Hero 9. I'm out here at Pocahontas State Park, the Swift Creek Trail system. You know, I had a day off of work, so I'm out here. Got to have some fun in the woods. I got a new Fox Transfer seat post dropper. And this park ranger right here was just, hey man, I was checking everybody's parking pass. Yeah, of course, there's always one. All right, looks good and tight. Got my Garmin GPS down here, a little satellite action. Got some new Franklin baseball gloves. Yeah, the other pair of actual bike gloves that I have were just, I don't know, they said that they were designed to be cool during the summer, but I think like the padding, I don't know, makes them warmer. So I'm trying these out. Brings back memories. I miss holding the bat. I did a 20-miler yesterday at the ocean front, so my legs are a little tender right now. Hi. We hit Gateway 1 here. Just a little cut through. Maybe we'll hit Bell Lap. That should be a good little warm up. Got a pretty rough climb on the way back, I'm pretty sure, but ow! Caught my pedal. Oh yeah. Oh man, almost lost it for a second there. Oh, there's a top route up there I didn't see. Woo. All right, that was Bell Lap. I'm gonna hit the bell lap to get a good little sweat going. And then maybe I'll do Lost Island, or Lost Spring, I mean. Or Blue Jay Way, that's always fun. I got a good amount of speed going on Bell Lap back there. Right out of the gates, that was my warm-up. Immediately got my adrenaline going. Thanks. Oh, that was fun. Oh.